Oh, no. No, my friend, no. This is very plasticky. It smells bad. Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing another Sephora Collection Advent Calendar. This time we have the tiny version, and in this one we have 12 products but 6 doors, and the price of it is 23 euros. You can actually start opening this one after Christmas, which cancels the whole Advent Calendar spirit. Is this a new trend? Am I missing something? I don't know. I'm very curious to see how it is inside. Maybe it is like a DIY Advent Calendar. It's so cute. It is like a piece of cake. I have also done a video for the 24 product Sephora Collection Advent Calendar and also the Sephora Favorites Advent Calendar. I'm gonna link the videos in the description box below. Before we start, share this video with a friend that likes Advent Calendars and also subscribe for more unboxing videos. At the end of this video we're going to calculate the overall value of all the products, so stay tuned. Let's start unboxing this baby Advent Calendar, and we have some stickers here. Oops, I lost something. Let's open the box. They are super cute. This one here says 26, so I'm guessing this is the first door or box. Paper bag. The design of it is super pretty. I'm gonna say lipstick. Oops. Oh no, I'm ripping it off. In every paper bag we're gonna have 2 products, and we have here the Color Hit Nail Polish by Sephora in the shade It Girl. I think we had exactly the same color in the big Sephora Advent Calendar, so I'm going to bring it. And also we have the same nail file. I'm back, and we got exactly the same nail polish and the nail file. This one here is actually a nice nail color for Christmas. Wrong, for New Year's. No, for New Year's Eve. Yeah, I'm losing it. Let's continue with day 27. This one is also super pretty. The design of both of the Advent calendars is very nice. This is lighter. I'm gonna say eye pencil and the nail polish remover, you know, those wipes. We have here the colorful glitter eyeshadow in the shade 232 Girl Talk. It's not easy to say this word. Girl. I'm gonna swatch it if I ever open it. Ooh, super cute. This one has a very dusty formula and it is going everywhere but my hand. So I think you need to use a glitter primer for this one, or a sticky base, so you can make it stay on your eyes. And the other product is the Sephora Cucumber Eye Masks. We also got this one in the big Advent Calendar and also I think last year. This is a single-use product. I would like to have 2 or 3 of them. Here we have day number 28 and this design here, super gorgeous. So I'm gonna say a lipstick again, but I don't think that we have. Ooh, we have something similar, and no, not again. It is back. So we have a hairpin. I actually used the other one a lot. So, okay, I have 2 of them now. And the other product is the Kiwi Lip Scrub by Sephora. I really want to sniff it because I think it's gonna smell amazing. Oh, no, my friend, no. This is very plasticky and it smells like... How can I say it? Είναι σαν λιγμένο κραγιόν. The smell of it is like outdated products, not that fresh kiwi scent. Maybe I'm not gonna try this one. It smells bad. After that we have a heavier paper bag. I'm gonna say a mini size of skincare product. The serum or a face cream. I was not right. We have here the Color Hit Nail Polish in the shade... Oh my god, it's gold on gold and I cannot read. In the shade Gold Fever. And ooh, oh, we have 2 cups. Why? This tiny handle is making my life miserable. For this one, you need to see where are the glitter on the brush so you can apply them on your nail. Both of the nail colors are looking very nice together. And the other product that we have is the charcoal nose strip, so you can remove any blackheads that you have on your nose. We have seen this product again in Sephora Advent Calendars. Maybe they were left in stock. Let's continue with this one here. This is lighter. I'm gonna say again the nail polish remover wipes and an eye pencil. Oh, no. Oh my god. I found one. This one here is the eye pencil to go. This is in the shade 9 Intense Black. And we got exactly the same eye pencil in the big Sephora Collection Advent Calendar. This is mine, so I can show you the color. This one has a very nice opacity. And the other product is the Shia Lip Mask. This one contains shea extract, and we had it again last year and this year. We have a lot of products repeating. It's getting hot in here. After that, we have a fully packed paper bag. I'm gonna say lipstick, and I continue with the nail polish remover wipes for some reason. And we have the All Day Hydrator with 96% natural ingredients. This is a mini size. We have just 10 milliliters, and we had it again in this year's advent calendar. Here it is, another duplicate, and this one here is a cream lip stain metal in the shade 112 Red Magma. Let's see the finish of it. It says it is metal. Okay, so this is looking more like a lip gloss. It's not so metallic. This one doesn't smell bad. We can say this is a festive lip color. I'm back! Moment of truth. The design of this advent calendar is super pretty, and also the overall value is 48 euros, which is more than what I have paid. However, I don't recommend this advent calendar. I have found an expired lip product, the smelly lip scrub, also a lot of single-use products, minis and fillers. I'm gonna give this advent calendar 2 stars, but I don't like it. Share this video with a friend that likes advent calendars, and you can find here more unboxing videos. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!